And of course, that was JTA President Owen Speed calling for a proper transportation system for students and teachers. And with Monday being the official start of the new school year, the Education Ministry claims it's not anticipating any glitches. Minister with responsibility Carl Samuda says his assurance is based on the fact that the essential elements are in place. TVJ's Kirk Wright has details from the press conference.
Mr. Samuda says he's satisfied that resources and preparations necessary for a smooth start to the school year are in place. He says, importantly, select schools have been renovated, furniture and other necessary equipment provided. The minister agreed that they did all that was possible to get schools in order for Monday.
And the first tranche operational grant from the PATH have been sent to our schools in good time to allow for the smooth reopening of our institutions.
Teacher shortage has consistently been a major problem for schools, especially at the beginning of a new school year. But Minister Samuda says that problem is being addressed. He says teachers are being engaged to do sessions and that retired teachers are being brought back on short-term contracts to do math, English and some science subjects. That effort, and with the influx of new teachers, he says, should help to offset the teacher shortage.
It is because our teachers are good while they are being coerced into leaving Jamaica for, United States, even as far as England, I believe. So, but it's something we're coping with. It is not as acute as one might think.
The last school term water shortage has been another issue that has resulted in the disruption of class time at some schools. The minister promised that water will be trucked to schools and that the ministry has already handed out some 100 tanks to help alleviate that problem. Meanwhile, the minister has advised that the policy not to force parents to pay contribution and then turn away students for non-payment still stands. He says the ministry will continue to give schools a total of $19,000 per student and special support in select areas of up to $11,000 per student. But he says in 3 months, the ministry will release the result of a study it did which determined the true cost of educating each child.
Not in an anecdotal way, but based on specific evidence and analysis of each school, school by school. And we will seek to establish a budget that will take into consideration the additional funds as required. Up to now, we have largely been dependent on what is sent, and we don't really have a true analysis of the genuine financial needs to educate each child.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.